Understanding the type code for the MHD synchronous motor. The MHD041A-144-PG0-UN. MHD denotes the product type as a synchronous motor. 041 denotes a motor size of 041. It has a centering diameter of 50 mm and a flange size of 82 mm. A denotes a motor length of A. It has a continuous standstill torque of 1.3 Nm. 144 means the winding code for the motor is 144. P denotes the motor has digital servo feedback with an integrated encoder and absolute position detection. G denotes the shaft is plain and with a shaft seal present. 0 indicates there is not a holding brake present. U denotes the presence of power and feedback connectors. The connectors move on a turntable with a range of 270 degrees. N means the motor has liquid cooling. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MHD repair and refurbishments.